What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave and I'm your favorite girl from Miami, and that's on what? Period. But right now, y'all, I'm still in Miami. My laptop is broken, so I took it to get it fixed at one of the Apple partners, because y'all know Apple is actually closed itself. So it's getting fixed. Hopefully that's fixed within the next 2 days. But right now I'm going to the eye doctor and the fabric store, as well as the Publix or whatever places got food and stuff. But I don't even know if we're gonna find food, because people have been really going crazy mass buying and stuff. But I'm not gonna mass buy, because I feel like people are overdoing it. They just need to buy what they need, and then we'll figure it out from there. But I don't know, that's just my take on things. I feel like Corona got people going a little crazy, and they need to stay in their right minds. This plane is loud, but they need to stay in their right minds and get it together ASAP. But I want to the fabric store, because since I'm going to be locked in the house, I just want to get my creative geniuses, well, not geniuses, my creative juices flowing, because I'm not just going to be locked in this house doing nothing. You got me banned. I'm sorry, sweetheart, but you got me banned. At Publix or Walmart, whatever, I think I'm going to get like soup, water if they have water. We already have toilet paper here. Let's go, y'all. There's too much talking. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. We are growing over here, sweetheart. I actually just picked up my laptop. My laptop is fixed, baby. The screen was broken, but it's not broken no more. And we finna go inside to Lex Fabric. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Oh, la 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 la. Anything in my bed, la 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 la. I really did want to eat Donna's, but they talked some no lunch special, no oxtails. I pulled up to the one that said, "Can I get a lunch special?" We're not doing lunch special today. Can I get oxtails? We don't have any oxtails. Well, what do you have? What do you have? I'm hungry. Now I'm gonna just go to Snappers, because I ain't got time to be thinking about what I want to eat. Y'all already, girls already know, thinking about what you want to eat is just so stressful, and I don't really feel like being stressed right now. I just want to go home, so I'm gonna just get Snappers, because Snappers is on the way to my house. So I'm gonna eat Snappers for the third time. Third time? Yeah, Snappers for the third time since I've been here, and I've been here 5 days. I'm showing my mom the fabric. It's dark in here, so yeah, it doesn't matter though.
Nice blue.
Nice, right?
Yeah, nice blue. So what are you going to make with that?
I'm going to show you now. My phone is over there. And then I'm going to put this for the lining inside. My phone. And it feels so good. Hey, hey, we united. Oh, oh shit. This is my cousin, y'all. This is white Hennessy. Ready? Yeah. And trois.
Alexis, where you going? Alexis loves to run. Oh, she swallowed. Alexis loves to run.
One time.
This is not that bad. It's red wine. I heard red wine get you fucked up.
Girl, red wine, that's what I
Red wine. Can you say it right?
Red wine.
I be seeing it, but the only thing it fuck you up.
Girl, I went to sleep.
I don't think it. I mean, I used to drink it.
But I
Like,
had to drink it fast.
I be drinking it like this juice. Which to me,
Never
never know
knew.
what to do. He gonna say, "Yo, come, you come, you get drunk."
Hey, this Naya. These my cousins, y'all. Period. But we gonna have girls' night. These pussy ass
Corona who? Chill, bitch.
Come on. This is the queen of the home.
She's so annoying.
So please don't judge me. And I won't judge you. Now we playing this game with these cards.
With these cards. It's called.
Girls for the girls. Adult party game. And this is everybody playing. Paige is not an adult, but this sure is a party.
Do you want a cup of wine? Rapid fire.
The title is Types of Flowers Excluding Tulips, Daffodils,
Roses.
Tulips. So I'm on my way to get some food. I don't know what I want to eat. I was gonna go check if Chipotle was open, but I highly doubt it's open since that's somewhere you actually have to walk in and get the food. Today I'm with my cousin Kamisha. What the hell? We decorating our laptops, so she got the we're basically having the sticker war. These are stickers from my planner that I bought. And then we just gonna choose stickers that we like. I don't really like all of the stickers, so if you like them, you can get them. But I'm gonna just choose the ones I like. And if you like them too, we'll have to have a war. Okay,
I already stole one from her, which is the hot.
Yeah, she got the hot. And then I got the lady drinking what that is, rosé. Rosé, and she's eating some Chinese food. Yeah. Was she having fun? And I got the money sticker too already. And I got the success sticker. I'm trying to think, I don't know. Y'all think I should leave the success sticker? Kamisha thinks I should leave the success sticker. I want the lips one because Kamisha wanted the hot. Where should I put the lips? Oh, instead of the success thing?
The lips would be like in the corner. Yeah.
On top of the success?
You need to remove the success.
I'm like, no. And now where the money thing went?
You lost it?
Golly. See, I'm so annoying. I'm so annoying.
You've been lost it.
You know what? It wasn't meant for me to have it.
Yeah, it wasn't meant for me to have it. I'm just, you know, people say, don't get mad at things you can't control. No, look, I'm about to lose the lips. No, we should let it go. Because you'll sit here and keep looking for it, and then you're going to make me look for it. It wasn't meant for me to have
It
it.
looks like deleted.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
Crumpled up.
Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it's fine. Now take the success off.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
I actually liked it though. We want to be successful.
Yeah.
Still left the success, but it's peeling off. But I'm gonna find a way to put it back down. And then I put right. And then I got the lady with the girl brunch. Oh, when quarantine over, we got everybody out to brunch. Okay, brunch in New York. And then I got the big lips. And then Kamisha has the hot one. Oh no, my nail. Oh my gosh, my nails. You know, we've been struggling in quarantine. It's hard out here.
You know I'm excellent.
Yeah, my dog is excellent. I'm finna stop showing my nails. She got by because Kamisha is so mean.
No,
Y'all just have to
I'm
know her. She's so mean.
Oh, stop.
Oh my, don't drop it. And then she has the what is it?
Busy.
Super busy because we booked and busy all 2020.
Period.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami, and that's on what? Period. But today, y'all, I'm going to Michael's right now, but I'm going to pick up Drea on the way to go to Michael's because I just haven't seen Drea in a long time, and I want to see my girl. So, yeah, I'm going to hang out with her, but, you know, social distance, like, we ain't going to touch and hug and stuff. Social distance. But we're just going to be in the same vicinity. You know. Okay. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a tube top type thing. Well, it's not even a tube top. It's like a dress that I made into a tube top. But tube top type thing with these pants that y'all already seen. Pose. And then I got on these sandals. But let's go get Drea.
Not only do they close early, but we're forced to shop under 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Ooh, y'all, my forehead is shiny. You never been to Michael's? This is where we got your art supplies from. You can get your art supplies and stuff from here too. So y'all, we in Michael's and they writing down names for, I don't know why, it's kind of weird. We only have 10 minutes to get with the witty and get the, oh shit. Get the hell up. Oh, here are the scrapbooks and everything. This way, that's your scrapbook from. Or your sketchbook, not your scrapbook. What the cheap ones. You stopped? Why?
I don't have time now.
Why you don't have time? Oh, Drea, fuck that job. Okay, which one? I don't know. You're the artist.